In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale with reference in AutoCAD. This is a vital skill for ensuring your drawings are accurate and proportionally scaled to your needs. So let's dive straight in and learn this step-by-step process. To kick things off, the first step you need to take is selecting the objects you want to scale. This could be any element within your drawing that requires adjustment. Make sure to carefully click and highlight only the parts you want to include in this scaling process. A quick note here. If you haven't yet perfected selecting multiple objects, hold down the Shift key as you click, allowing you to choose several elements at once without losing your previous selections. Once you've highlighted your desired objects, head over to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. Here, you'll need to type Scale. Alternatively, if you're in a hurry, simply type the abbreviation, which is SC, and press Enter. This command activates the scaling function, allowing you to proceed with altering the size of your selected objects. Now comes an important decision: selecting a base point. The base point is crucial because it acts as the pivot around which your objects will scale. Essentially, it is the anchor, and everything else changes relative to this fixed spot. Choose a point that makes sense in the context of your drawing. This could be a corner, an intersection, or any place that feels intuitive for your scaling needs. By default, AutoCAD uses a scale value based on the distance your mouse is from your base point. This method is straightforward for some scenarios, but today we want to focus on scaling with precision using a visual reference. To do this, type reference in the command line or simply enter the letter R and press Enter. This option allows you to define a reference distance, giving you more control and accuracy over the scaling process. With the reference option enabled, you'll need to carefully select 2 points. These points serve as your reference line or distance. Essentially, you're telling AutoCAD, this is the original distance, and I'll scale my object based on this reference to another specified distance. Choose these points wisely, as they will dictate the proportion and accuracy of your final scaled objects. Finally, armed with your reference, you can seamlessly scale the objects concerning other elements within your drawing. This method provides a visual method for scaling, ensuring your components are consistent and precise in relation to the drawn plan or model. And there you have it, scaling with reference in AutoCAD. This technique is incredibly helpful for achieving exact proportions and is a fundamental part of drafting and modeling in AutoCAD. With practice, you'll find this method boosts your efficiency and the accuracy of your projects. Keep experimenting with different drawings and objects to see the full potential of this powerful feature. Happy scaling!